Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use your Tabby card in a physical store. First, take your phone and open the Tabby app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom menu and find the Store section. Tap on Store to open it. Inside this section, you will see an option that says Activate for Store. Tap on Activate for Store. Follow the instructions on your screen. This will activate your Tabby card for in-store payments. After activation is complete, the next step is to add your virtual Tabby card to your digital wallet. If you are using an iPhone, open Apple Pay. If you are using an Android phone, you can use Google Pay or Samsung Pay. Choose the wallet that works with your device. Once added, your card will be ready for contactless payments. Now you are ready to shop. Visit any store that accepts Visa cards. When you are ready to pay, go to the cashier and tell them you are paying by card. Open your digital wallet on your phone. Select the Tabby card as your payment method. Hold your phone close to the card reader and tap to pay. Wait for the confirmation on the screen. Thanks for watching.